Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm in Bloxburg. As you can tell, it's Akila's house. I made it and I really like it. So the account that I told you about, yes, this is the account right now. I just got it back. And the other account I'm about to show you right now. I'm about to leave this account to show you the other account right now in 3, 2, 1. So guys, this is the skates and this is the corset. I gotta show you something, guys. This is really amazing. I'm about to show you in 3, 2. Do you see all of this stuff right here? Do you see it? Do you see all those doubles and stuff? Oh, we passed all the doubles. But do you see all of this stuff right now? It is amazing. These are all of the stuff that was in my old account. I would transform it to this account. Here are some things and some of my doubles and stuff, like this and this and this and this and this. That will be in the giveaway happening very, 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 very soon. Like this and this and this. You guys can win it and like this. You guys can win it by just hitting the subscribe button and liking and sharing my channel with friends. And yeah, just share my channel with friends. Like right now. So you better go share with friends. And yeah, if you guys don't, I would be sad, and you probably will not be able to get in the giveaway. I don't really know. You just have to write in the comment that I subscribed, like, hit those notification bell, and you did the task thingamajiggy. Just tell me all of those information if you did. Like, on this, in the comment down below, I'll tell you it and show you it, and yeah, like I'll have like this form thingamajiggy and to tell you about it, and like if you guys want to join it or if you guys don't want to join it, you guys just put no or yes, and that you hit like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you guys want to see some future role plays or how-to videos, just say yes. Can I have a blah blah blah, whatever you want me to do. Like the skates, I like the skates. Oh yeah, guys, I found something very amazing you can do with the skates. I'm about to show you right now. So look, so you see, oh my god, I'm about to get ran over. Okay, so I'm about to show you right here. So if you click the boots right here, like I did, you go up here and go back down. The boots, the skates are done. See? It's been here for a while. Been there for a while. But if you click on the, hold on. If you click on this part right here, and then go to walk packs, ice skater, and there you go. Boom, bada, boom, bada, boom. And that was wonderful. And then here is the exciting news I wanted to share with you guys about the skates. I wanted to show you guys. It's amazing. Oh my god. And you have to have it with the skate, with the wall pack. So like, see, you can actually go in here and skate around here. So wonderful. Life is great. And the other thing I wanted to show you guys. So you're gonna run over here if you don't want to walk. Do you see this? So you go in here. Now I'm skating on ice. I'm skating on ice. I'm skating on ice. Skating on ice. I'm skating on ice. And then it makes a trail so it can look like the ice is actually getting scratched on. And that's just amazing and beautiful. Wow, she's so good. And I'm gonna have this all year long. All of the things that I wanted, and stuff, yeah. So you're probably wondering, why do you have this name? People will be asking me if they want to skate, if I could offer free skates, and I'm just like, look at my bio, and I'm about to show you my bio and show you what it says and read it out to you guys. So yes, I'm on level 99. You know, so much in 4 months and 2 days. So we go here. See all of my awards. So here is all my things. By the way, do not mind these. Hello, I don't like mean people. I wish I could have the whole Frost set. I'm not a scammer. Okay. Then we go down a little so you guys can see. I have a channel. Just ask if you want to see it. Go check it out, please. Okay, next page. Turn page. Okay. The sets that I want, the Star Frost set, the Val set. These are empty because I already got them. All the sets basically, but I'm not gonna get that far because I'm a noob. So no. All the items I want, any Halo I would actually prefer the Winter Halo, the new one, if they have it, or any Winter Halo and the Valentine Halo. The Val corset, the giant bear, and the small one. The parasol, the very cozy glove. Next page. The shoes that I want. Look, all of them are already gone because I already got them. The ones that was here, it was the dolly heels, the skates, and the Shadow Embrace boots. So yeah. So the other ones that I want is the Val heels and the thigh high Ice Princess boots. The dress that I want is the Starfrog dress that I'm going to get on the 8th this month because of my premium. The Val skirt. Oh, baby doll skirt. Large train bow skirt. And next page. This is how much I'm saving up for. 200k diamonds. What I'm trading. Selling the Dear Dolly dress. Selling the butterfly dress, maybe my doubles, and that's all. And these are some of my rules. Please do not ask me to trade or I will decline it. Please do not ask for anything that I'm not trading, like skate. Bye! And that's all basically. So we're gonna get out of this. Wait, I don't want to restart my channel. Okay, and that's basically. Oh, you can't even see me. That's basically all. Oh yeah, I'm about to tell you the stuff that I want, just to let you know what I'm getting, how much money I'm going to get. So I'm thinking of getting this much right here. The 400k one, or if I wanted to get like this one right here, I could get okay, I'm about to go shopping right now. Look, not really, but it's called that. So the skirts that I want, this is like a new one because like I already got some stuff. So yeah. So I want this. Hold on. I got this one. This one. This one. This one. See how much I'm skipping through? This one. This one. Go up. Just keep going. And that's basically all. Now the shoes that I want. Just to give you a heads up. These two ones, because like I didn't show you guys it. This one. I'm not gonna be able to get it. This one. Go down. This one. That's all. And I'm definitely not going through that. And yeah, that's all for this week's video. But I'll give you, I'll link the thing in the description. I'm about to show you the thing in 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, so this is how it looks right now. Oh, sorry for all this stuff right there. Okay, here is the giveaway. I'm about to edit my response because I was trying to look how it looks for you guys. So I'm about to just undo it and do everything. So this is how it looks like. Give away your time. Not required because like come here to get in. Have you watched it? Push yes, no. Well, did you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell? By the way, notes means notification for me. If not, do it now. So I'm just getting yes or no. I need to do that or no. I'm putting yes because myself. What's your user? What's your Roblox account? Please tell me. Not your password, your username. Okay? Your username, not your password. Only username. Like I did right here. Have you subscribed to my other account, IIX Blueberry Gucha channel? If not, go check it out right here. Then you click on here. You load. It's loading. Girl, why won't? Okay, here it is. I liked if I was in Gucci video. It looks super nice. So like I did cute outfits for you should have for your channel picture. Types of people who are high. If I was in Ocean Eyes. If I was in Cinderella. YouTube Academy good, but I accidentally put good. But you know, life is life. My first video of this channel, my movie 8. I didn't actually name that. So you know, if I was in Cinderella, the first one, YouTube Academy, good. You already know about that. Yeah, basically that's all. Oh, hold on, look on this one, and then tell me what video you want to see. Just tell me what you want, but not more. Don't put more videos. If you wrote everything, you have entered the giveaway, right? Say yes, I did, no, I didn't, or others. Or just say like, actually, why is there others? Because there's like nothing actually really to do, right, for others. So, yeah, that's all, you guys. Look at this, look at me, really high. Okay, well that's all guys, that's all the news right now. I put the link in the description below. Just do everything it says on there. Do not put your username because then I could get in it and I would not. But just please do not put your username because like why would you put your username? And comment down below if you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and shared my channel with my friends and the other channel too. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.